Okay, so here's how to use the Irresistible offer ChatGPT prompt. Basically, we're going to copy and paste this. I'm not going to explain everything that this prompt does. You just simply know that it says, well, basically, you're a direct response marketer who specializes in creating irresistible offers, and we give them the characteristics of an irresistible offer, and then we give them the information of the course, which is basically, well, the course or the product, whatever we're selling, right? So here's this section is what you have to complete with your own data, which is my offer is a course, program, supplement, whatever you're selling, coaching service, whatever it is, and you just change it here. And then you sell that helps target market, which is whoever your customer avatar is, to achieve a desired result. This offer includes, and you list everything that your offer includes. So I'm going to give an example here. In this case, it's going to be a dog training online course that helps first-time dog owners achieve a well behaved dog. I'm going to leave it generic because I want to ChatGPT to give the ideas to me and not the other way around. And then here we're going to list everything that is going to be in my course, which is the main lessons. Let's include potty training bonus course. Let's include let's say party tricks bonus course, a health guide book for dogs. And so I'm coming up with all these things right now. This is not like a real product, right? And a 7-day guarantee. 7-day money back guarantee. And so basically, here's what we do, and let's just see what it does. Again, the idea of this is not to give us, ChatGPT is not going to give us like an infallible, flawless offer, but we just want the ideas we can use to improve the current offer that we want, or how to build a new one, right, from scratch. So basically, we want to have clarity on the offer and who we are selling it to. So the first part is addressing a core desire, and we want to use this part to see if we are actually selling to the people who if our current offer is actually addressing this core desire, or maybe we are wrong, and it's addressing something else. Because, for example, in my original message, I say that my target market wants a well-behaved dog, and maybe that is a very surface level core desire, and maybe they want something deeper. For example, when we go to this section, it says first-time dog owners want their dogs to be well-behaved, obedient, and a source of pride of joy. They want to avoid embarrassment caused by a misbehaving dog, blah blah blah, right? So maybe the original core desire that I was addressing isn't enough. Maybe I have to go a little bit deeper in my marketing material with this stuff, right? So this is the kind of stuff that we want ChatGPT to give us, so we can actually improve our offer, right? Improve our marketing material. So it gives us ideas of bonuses that we can add. Again, this all comes from ChatGPT. I didn't give them I didn't give it this information, but it gives us the ideas of exclusive bonuses that we can add, exclusive access to the community, personalized training plan, a behavioral issue hotline. Again, some maybe this one it's not really something that you can implement, but these two maybe you can implement it, and it could make your offer more appealing for people. And it gives us way to reduce the risk, extend the guarantee to 30 days instead of the 7 original that I used, and access guarantee, I don't know what it is. They get an extra month of training support for free if they don't have results, right? So this is an idea that you can implement. These are both ideas that you can implement. So here, this part is going to give us the more clarity on the problem that we are solving. Again, remember, if you're solving a problem that is in the future, maybe that is not going to give you as many sales as you could have if you were addressing a problem that your customer is having right now, right? So so just ask yourself the question if this is a problem, if you are solving a problem in the future, or maybe you should reposition that so your offer is solving a problem right now in the present, right? Because people tend to buy for problems that they have right now, and not to prevent problems that they will have in the future. As humans, we don't usually try to prevent problems in the future. We should, but we don't. So the next section is going to give you more clarity on your process, and if there is something that you could simplify, and something that you could use to make it even more effortless. Again, maybe you can implement some of this stuff, maybe you can't, and then we are going to have these ideas for the unique mechanism. The unique mechanism is basically why other solutions fail, what is the sneaky problem, or what is the one cause, the one hidden cause why everything is failing, and why our problem, how we address this sneaky problem, and that is going to guarantee that our customers are going to get results, right? So maybe you already have a unique mechanism and isn't working that well for you, so you can try these ideas and address that in your marketing material. But this is basically what this prompt does. It's not again, it's not going to give you a perfect offer, but we just want the ideas. We just want the ideas that we can use to improve the offers that we have, or just to come up with something new if we don't have a product, right? So I hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to comment or something.